Hey, to connect your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, first of all, you have to download the Strava application on your phone and log in into your Strava account. And after this, you have to go into the Mi Fitness application. Next, select your profile in the right bottom corner and go into the third-party data. Then select Strava and click Connect. Now from this official Strava website, all you have to do is just to use the same account that you are using on this Strava app on your phone. That's quite obvious, right? So in my case, I have to select the Google account. And now from this, you have to select your account and simply after the next screen, just click authorize. And then you will be redirected right here and you will get information that you are successfully connected. And now all of your data that is actually stored into the Mi Fitness app will be automatically synchronized into your Strava. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.